Hello everyone, we are going to see what is HTML in this session. Basically, HTML was designed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1993. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. What is Hypertext Markup? Hypertext is the text which is displayed on the web page or a web browser. The text which is displayed on the web browser is known as a hypertext. And markup means the simple text which is enclosed within the angular bracket is known as the markup text. So this hypertext markup language is used for designing and developing web pages. How it is designed and developed? Basically, the code which is enclosed or the text which is written in the markup code is written within a text editor known as Notepad or any other text editor you may use. I am simply using a Notepad. This session is for the beginners, specifically for the beginners. So we are going to see how a Notepad help us to design and develop a web page. So we are going to see a sample code which can be used for designing and developing a web page. So a notepad can be used as a text editor to write a HTML code, and this code can be saved, or this file can be saved by the extension .html or .htm. You can also use .htm as extension for saving the web page. So this web page can be designed in Notepad and can be executed on any web browser like Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Internet Explorer even. You can use any web browser to execute this code. So in this next slide, we are going to see how this structure looks like. So this is the simple text structure which can be written in the Notepad. So HTML structure or HTML code starts with the tag HTML, which tells or informs the browser how we are going to work with the HTML, or it informs the browser that we are dealing with or we are working with an HTML document. Next is the head tag. This tag, students, the tag means the elements or the text which is enclosed within the angular bracket is also referred as tag, commonly named as tag, but it is also known as elements. The text which is enclosed within the angular bracket is also known as elements. So in the next line, we are going to see the head. The head section tells the browser, that informs the browser about the web content, what we are going to, it tells more information about your page. It also includes a meta tag which is supported in the HTML5 next version of HTML that we are going to see in the next session. First of all, we are going to see simple HTML web structure. In the head section, we can also include the meta tag which is used for search engine optimization by the web browser. Here in the simple HTML page, we are going to see a head section includes a title tag which will show a title for the web page on the web browser. The page which this tag includes a text this text is shown on the web browser as the title of your document. Next is the body tag. The content which you are going to show on your web page, or like text, audio, videos, or any text or any effects that you are going to add on your web page should be enclosed within body and slash body tag. So HTML basically contains paired and unpaired tags. In the next sessions, we will see what are tags and how are they differentiated. Basically, first, this is the sample code structure of your document. Next is the example of the HTML, how HTML can be written. This is the sample code I have introduced for simple beginners who don't even know how a web page is. So this session is for the beginners who don't know the HTML. In this session, we are going to see a simple example. In this example, I have shown the title as the introduction to HTML, and in the body section, I have shown the effects for the page as background color. I have changed it to blue, and text which is going to be displayed on the page should be displayed as white. By default, students, the background color of your web page is white, and the text which is to be displayed is black text. You can even change the structure of your page by using the attributes. The attributes are also known as properties, and every property has a value which should be enclosed within double inverted comma like this. Next, welcome. Next, I have taken the heading tags. HTML includes H1 to H6 heading tags. This also you are going to see in the next session. This is the introductory session, students. So this one is a H1 tag which will welcome the user as welcome to web technology, and the body section is closed here and HTML code is ended here. So this page will show output like this. This is the introduction to HTML, our title, which we have enclosed within the title and slash title tag. That text will be displayed here on the title bar of your web browser. And next is the page content of your, the content which is enclosed within body and slash body will be displayed here on your web page. This is the main body of your web page. So next is the HTML5. Children, next is the, this is the next fifth version of the HTML. Many of the older elements have been modified in HTML5. We are also allowed to save our cookies, which you can, the text or the files you can, which can be referred for further use. The HTML5 also supports the audio and video functionality as well as the canvas. It also includes the semantics like articles, header, footer, navigation tags, etc., which makes your web page more effective and more attractive. HTML5 also supports search engine optimization. As earlier I have said that in the head and slash head tag, you can add a meta tag which will inform the browser a short description of your web content. This can be included in the head section. So search engine optimization is basically what it will know. It will help you to know the popularity of your web content, how much followers are following your website or web page. This will be optimized, or it will give you the full perfection of your website. In the next section also we are going to see what is search engine optimization. Simply the code is also written in the any text editor like notepad, and this file can also be saved by the extension .html. It provides multi-platform compatibility as compared to HTML. This is the structure of the HTML5. Here you can see, students, the different style tag is added here in the head section. This is nothing but the CSS. CSS means cascading style sheet, which allows you to make your website more attractive. This section, in the body section, you can see different semantics which I have told just before, that the header section will include the heading of your web page. Here you can also add a menu bar for your website. Next is the navigation bar. Navigation bar will allow you to navigate within or switch within multiple web pages. Like hyperlink you can create in the navigation tag. These tags are specifically used for bifurcating your web page document into different sections. Here you can see in the style tag, I have added CSS as header. Header will be included as background color pink. These are the attributes and properties and values which I have specified. Width will be 100% and height will be 20%. Means your header section will be displayed in the background color as pink, and the width of that section, header section, will be 100% and height will be 20%. Likewise, every section like navigation section, aside section, article, footer, these all sections will be specified. You can specify as per your requirement. I have specified as per my requirement. So navigation bar is the bar where you can specify the link, by using which you can switch within the multiple pages of your website. Next is the aside section. This section will be displayed as per your requirement. I have specified as float right. It will float on the website to the right side of the website. Next is the article. Article is shown as the height as 40% and width as 60%. Every section I have specified a different color so that we can bifurcate the sections and how the HTML5 will show the effects. We can bifurcate them. Next we'll see how the HTML5 structure will look like. This is the output of the code which I have provided you. This is the first. HTML5 includes the new semantics. This is our header section. Just I have said earlier that header section is displayed as a pink. The next is the navigation section. Here we can display the different links. I have given a simple link, a single link which will redirect you to the google.com. Next is the section tag here. You can specify a section tag. In that section tag, I have specified the width and height. Here is the article. This is the aside section. This is the aside section which floats on the right side of your website. Next is the article section. Article section is displayed as a pink, dark pink color, and this is the footer section. You can see that the link is displayed so short because it does not contain a lengthy paragraph or sentences. So the web page is displayed as a 50% of your whole website. This is the whole website is considered as 100%, and my content is about 50% of the whole web page. So this was the simple introductory lecture of the HTML, how HTML pages can be designed. Next, we will see how you can design a web page by using Notepad. This is a simple sample code which I have designed for you for the beginners. First of all, we have started with the HTML tag. Next is the head section. In the head section, I have given the title, simple title as introduction to web page. Introduction to HTML. In the body section, I have given the BG color as blue and text as white, and H1 is the heading tag which will provide us different heading. H1 to H6 will provide different heading levels. I have simply used a simple heading level as H1, welcome to web page. This program will show the output as, we can see the output of this program like this. In the web browser, you can see the output of this program like this. Here I have set the program as sample code.html, and the output of this program will be like this on the web browser. When we double click on the sample code.html, that file will be displayed on the web browser like this. And this is the introduction to HTML. This is the heading title bar of the web page. The text which is enclosed within title and slash title will be displayed here, and the main content of your web page will be displayed on the welcome to web technology. Here you can also add audios, videos, images. In the next section, we are going to see how to add images on your web page. Thank you.